Hi everybody, in this video, let's look at some questions from your Form 4 Math Chapter 8, Vector. All the questions here are taken from SPM 2022. Now, let's look at these questions. The coordinates of point P and Q are 2, 3 and Q, 2Q respectively. So now, the coordinate of P is 2, 3 and the coordinate of Q is Q, 2Q. Given that PQ is a unit vector, using the vector triangle law, find the possible value of Q. Okay, so if the coordinate of P is 2, 3, then OP is equal to 2I plus 3J. And OQ is equal to QI plus 2QJ. So be careful with the I and J because they look very similar to each other. Okay, now given by the question PQ is a unit vector, from here we actually know that the magnitude of this vector PQ is equal to 1. Now let me get the vector of PQ first. PQ is equal to PO plus OQ, right? So PO is negative of OP. Okay, if you change the position of the letters, this is PO, this is OP, we add a negative for it. Okay, then OQ is equal to OQ, we just copy QI plus 2QJ. So negative OP will be negative this whole thing. Remember to put a parenthesis. Okay, so next step, open out this parenthesis, bring the negative go in. Negative 2I minus 3J plus QI plus 2QJ. Okay, then group the I together and J together. So be careful, this is I, this is I. So it will be Q minus 2I. Okay, so how about J? 2Q minus 3. 2Q minus 3 J. Okay, since we know that the magnitude of this vector PQ is equal to 1, so that means Q minus 2 square plus 2Q minus 3 square root is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the magnitude of this vector PQ. So we square both sides. So but 1 you square is still same, still 1. So here we just copy first. So 1 square you will still get 1. Now I'm going to do expansion using the formula a plus b square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. If you have a minus b square, it will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. Hope that you still remember this formula. Okay, now here will be q square minus 4q plus 4. Okay, plus this will be 4q square minus 3 times 2 times 2. So 12q plus 9 is equal to 1. Okay, so 4q square plus q square will be 5q square. And negative 4q minus 12q, you will get negative 16q, right? Okay, so 4 plus 9, you will get 13. 13 minus 1, you will get 12. Okay, now here you can use your calculator to help you to do the factorization. Okay, this is 5q, this is q. Okay, this one let me use 6, 2, and okay, let me check the answer. Okay, correct. So now from here, we know that 5q minus 6 is equal to 0, or q minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so q is equal to 2, q is equal to 6 over 5. Okay, so these are the answer of question number 5. Now let's look at another question. This is also taken from SPM 2022. This is paper 2 section B. Diagram 4 shows triangle OBQ. So I have a triangle over here, OBQ, and a straight line OAC. Point P lies on the straight line. Point P lies on a straight line, OQ, and OC is equal to 308. So from here, let me arrange it this way, right this way, so that easier for you to determine the ratio of OC to OA. So from here, I know that OC is 3 part, OA take 1 part, OA 1 part. So OC is 3 part. This means that here is 2 part. Okay, now let's go down here and look at what is the information given here. OA is A. Okay, let me draw it over here. This is OA, which is A, and OB, this is B, and AB equal to 3, 1 over 3 AP equal to 1 over 3 of AB. So this means that AP divided by AB, you will get 1 over 3. So if you write the vector in the equation in this form, it's very easy for you to see the ratio. So AP is equal to 1. AP, let me draw a line over here first. Connect these three together. They are collinear. AP, 1 part. This is 1. And AB, 3 part. This means that this is AP should be here. AP should be here, 1 part, and AB 3 part. AB 3 part. Here already taken 1 part. Here will be 2 part. Okay, now, and given by the question, OQ is equal to KOB. OQ is equal to KOP. Okay, now, such that K is a constant. Now, let's look at A1. We want to find OP in terms of A and B. OP. Okay, let's look at this diagram. OP here. OP is equal to OA plus AP. Okay, OA plus AP. So what's OA? OA is very straightforward. This is A. How about AP? AP is 1 over 3 of AB, right? 1 over 3 of AB. And try to think, how do we get AB? The 1 over 3 you just copy. AB is AO plus OB, which means negative A. So you look at the direction, go this way, which is opposite with this direction. Therefore, we need to add a negative. Negative A plus B. Negative A this way plus B. Okay, let's arrange all the terms nicely. So this is A minus 1 over 3A and plus 1 over 3B. Okay, this is 1A minus 1 over 3A. You will get 2 over 3A plus 1 over 3B. Okay, this is the answer for part 1. Okay, let me copy the answer over here. Maybe we need to use it later. Okay, let me erase this one first. Okay, I think this one is typing error. It should be not OB, it should be BQ. Okay, let me change this one to BQ. So we want to express BQ in terms of K, A, and B. Okay, where's BQ? BQ is over here. Okay, so BQ is equal to BO plus OQ. Okay, now BO, you look at the diagram. B going this way, BO going this way. Therefore, we need to add a minus sign, add a negative sign. Okay, plus OQ. And given by the quotient, OQ is equal to KOP. So I'm going to change the OQ become KOP. And do we have OP? Yes, we got just now, which is 2 over 3 A plus 1 over 3 B. Okay, the K I just copy. So OP is equal to this 2 over 3A plus 1 over 3B. Let me open up this parenthesis. Negative B plus 2 over 3 KA plus 1 over 3 KB. And then let me group this B and this B together. So 2 over 3 KA plus 1 over 3K minus 1 B. Okay, let me double check. Plus 1 over 3 KB. Okay, and then minus B. Okay, correct. So this is the answer for A part 2. BQ is equal to this. Now let's go to part B. Hence, we want to hence find the value of H and K. Okay, we want to find the value of H and K if BQ is equal to HBC. So BQ we got just now. Now let me copy here. BQ is equal to HBC. So we want to find the value of K and the value of H. So what's BQ? This one, just copy. 2 over 3 KA plus 1 over 3 K minus 1 B. Okay, HBC. What's BC? So BC is BO plus OC, right? BO plus OC. Okay, now BO this way, negative B. OC this way. So one part is equal to A. Now we have 3 parts, which is equal to 3A. Okay, this one, let me copy here first. Okay, and bring in the H. So it will be negative HB plus 3HA. Okay, this part, let me copy also. Now, so I'm going to show you 2 ways to help us to get the K and H. Both will give you exactly the same answer. Now let me show you the first method first. Compare both sides. So make sure you arrange nicely. If this is A, B, here also follow A, B. Okay, now this is BA. So it will very easy for you to make mistake. So let me rearrange it first. Okay, since I write A first followed by B, here I'm going to do the same thing. 3HA followed by B. Okay, now what we are going to do, compare both sides. Here, A and A compare. So here, this is equal to this. And this whole thing is equal to this. Okay, let me use this method to get the answer of H and K first. Later on, I'll show you the second method. 2 over 3K is equal to 3H. Okay, and the equation is 1 over 3K minus 1 is equal to negative H. Okay, so from here, K is equal to 3 times 3 over 2H. Okay, 3 divided by 2 over 3, it means 3 times 3 over 2. Okay, K is equal to 9 over 2H. Okay, I'm going to bring this into here. Okay, let this one be the first equation and this one be the second equation. So now I'm going to substitute the first equation into the second equation. So I'm going to replace the K by this one. 1 over 3k minus 1 is equal to negative h. Okay, so here we can simplify it, divided by 3, divided by 3. So here I will get a 3 over 2h. 3 over 2h minus 1 is equal to negative h. Okay, so the negative h bring to another side. 3 over 2h plus h is equal to 1. Okay, this one you can just press your calculator. It will be 5 over 2h is equal to 1. And h is equal to 2 over 5. Now, let me proceed to find the value of k. So, substitute h is equal to 2 over 5 into which one? First equation. So, k is equal to 9 over 2h. So, k is equal to 9 over 5. You can stop here. If you want to write one more step, you can change it to a mixed number, which is 1 and 5 over 4. Oh, sorry, 1 and 4 over 5. Okay, so now let me show you, or let me copy the answer first. So I show you the second method, which will give us exactly the same answer. H is equal to 2 over 5, k is equal to, okay, just take this one, 9 over 5. Okay, instead of comparing like what we did just now, we also can use this method. I can take this one divided by this is equal to this one divided by this, and make sure you arrange nicely. If this is AB, here need to be AB as well. Okay, so let me take this divided by this. Negative h divided by 3h is equal to this one, 1 over 3k minus 1 divided by 2 over 3k. And the h will actually cancel out. So you will get negative 1 over 3 is equal to 1 over 3k minus 1 over 2 over 3k. Okay, next step. I'm going to bring this whole thing over here. Negative 1 over 3 times 2 over 3k is equal to 1 over 3k minus 1. So here I will get negative 2 over 9k is equal to 1 over 3k minus 1. Okay, negative 1, I'm going to move it here, become positive. The 1 over 3k, I just copy here negative, move it to the other side, it will become positive. Okay, just press your calculator. 1 over 3 plus 2 over 9, you will get 5 over 9. Okay, 1 is equal to 5 over 9k. Therefore, k is equal to 9 over 5. Okay, we got the same answer. After you got the value of k, you can just compare both sides like what we did just now to help you to get the value of h. Okay, this compare with this one. 2 over 3k is equal to 3h. And we got the k, which is 9 over 5. It's equal to 3h. So here, just divided by 3, divided by 3. 2, 3 will give you 6 over 5. And time 1 over 3 is equal to h. h is equal to, divided by 3, divided by 3. You will get 2 over 5. Okay, so this is the second method to help us to solve this type of question. Okay, we have one more part to go. Let's go to the last part. Okay, from B, we got the value of h is 205. It means that BQ is equal to HBC, and h is 205, 2 over 5 BC. So I'm going to rearrange all the term, rearrange the term nicely, BQ over BC, so that easier for you to see their ratio. BQ to BC is equal to 2 over 5. This means that BQ, 2 part. Okay, let me draw a line from here to here. BQ, 2 part, and then BC, 5 part. BC, 5 part. That means QC, 3 part. So the question is asking about BQ to QC. Therefore, we know BQ to QC is equal to 2:3. Okay, this is the answer for part C. That's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.